Hi friends, this is Microsoft Excel series. In this video, you will learn about conditional formatting. I am Farhan, you are watching DigiMastery channel. Let's start. You can see student dataset. This dataset is for learning purpose. When you have large dataset, how to apply conditional formatting? You can see in G5 cell, we apply if formula on student percentage to find grade. If you cannot know this formula, take a screenshot and practice. Now we use fill handle to apply on all cells. That is text data. For conditional formatting, if we select this column, go to conditional formatting. For text, use this conditional formatting. Now write here brilliant and select green color like this. Press OK. You can see all cells are green which have brilliant text. Again we repeat this process. This time select yellow for average. You can see we apply one by one. That is difficult. If we Ctrl Z and select again this column, you can see we cannot able to apply data bars, color scales, icon sets in conditional formatting because this is text. Press again Ctrl Y. Now magic start here. Select this cell, write is equal to and select this cell and press enter. Now use fill handle like this. Go to format cell window, select custom. For detail on custom format, click on I button. Now clear this. Here you can type this. You know in custom format we have three parts and each one separated through semicolon. This semicolon and this semicolon. And press OK. You can see brilliant here. Now use fill handle. You can see text, but in behind we have numeric numbers. Now select this column, go to conditional formatting. Now you can able to apply here data bars, color scales like this, icon sets. You can see different icon sets here. Now we apply this conditional formatting, traffic lights, shapes. You can see conditional formatting apply at once. Now conditional formatting apply according to performance specific text. First we create a unique list, apply unique formula here like this. Now create data validation list. Of this unique list, here. Now select Performance column, go to Home tab and go to Conditional Formatting. Select New Rule option. Here you can select this last option, Use a formula. Click inside box, select this cell and press F4 for 3 times. Write is equal to and select this cell. Now go to Format, select color which you want and press OK, and again press OK. Now hide this column and select the text of this data validation list. You can see if we select Brilliant, all Brilliant cells highlighted. You can see according to specific text, all cells highlighted like this. Now conditional formatting through column header. Select entire column through conditional formatting. First create data validation list like this. Of column header. Now select entire data set. Go to Home tab. Go to Conditional Formatting. Select New Rule option. Select Use a formula option. Click inside the box and select this first cell of range. Now press 1 time F4, write is equal to and select this cell. Now go to Format and select the color, press OK and again press OK. Now select column name in data validation list. You can see entire column is selected. Select another column header. You can see according to column header, column is highlighted. I hope you will enjoy this video. Now practice this. Practice make perfect. One question for you: how to apply conditional formatting according to row like this. Answer in comment box. You can successful or not. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share it. That is appreciation from your side. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.